Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be taking part in Handmade by Abbigale's One Sheet Wonder. Guys, I have pulled out these two stencils. I don't use stencils an awful lot and it's something I want to use more of, so I'm going to give it a go. Sorry about the washing machine if you can hear it in the background. It is what it is, guys. I've picked out these two stencils and I've got some inks here. I think I do have some more colours, but I'm not sure where they are. And I'm just going to get going, guys. I have no clue what I'm going to do. So it could turn out good. It might turn out bad, but we'll go with it. Okay. Kind of like this colour. I got it in a D-stash. I'm thinking of a spring kind of scene, so I want some green. I've got that green, that's a blue. I've got another, I don't think I have another green. So should I do a blue background? I only have this blue and I think this blue, kind of a turquoisey and a darker blue. I might need to invest in some more ink colour, guys, I think. Guys, I'm just going to test out this colour. I don't know, it's meant to be a kind of no holds barred, but I just like to try things out. So this is quite a nice blue. And does this green go with it? I need a little sponge, but I just want to see. Yeah, I think that's okay. This is probably not in the spirit of it, guys, I know, but I need to see if these colours go. I don't know. Do you do this? Do you test out your colours first, or do you just go for it? So they're probably going to be a lot stronger than, this is a lot more wetter of an ink. But I think we're going to go with these colours. Hopefully they are showing up. I'm not sure if that blue is a little bit dark, but we're going to go with it. So yeah, okay, let's see how we go. So I do like the kind of patchy look. I need a sponge. Can't find any other sponges. I seem to have run out of sponges, so I'm gonna have to get some more of those. So let's just try. Let's just try this. Actually, it's going. I don't mind this. Guys, I am not sure if I'm liking this. I've done too many in this area and these ones were a bit splodgy, but it's okay. We're going to keep forging forward and see what we do in the end. But I must admit, I think I have not done very well with this One Sheet Wonder, but we're going to keep going. We're going to keep going. I think if in doubt, add a bit of shimmer or bling, and let's see where we go, guys. it's getting dark, guys. I'm gonna turn on this overhead light. Guys, I think this first one for me is a bit of a fail, but there are bits of it that I really love, like where the little leaves have been picked up there by the gold and some of the butterflies. I think it gave a much better effect when I dabbed the sponge, but I think the sponge I was using was just a bit too big for the stencil. But there you go, guys. This is my one sheet wonder. I don't know, maybe I should continue. Do you think I should continue? Maybe add some white splashes over it, maybe. I'm just not sure, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.